That's a nice red. Look at the wake he's making. I think he's bigger than I thought he was. Alright, she's coming under you, Tony. Lift your line. A good fish. He's putting up a fight. It's not a snook, is it? I think it's a small red, medium-sized red. I haven't even seen that fish. What the heck did you hook? I have no idea what it is. The water's so dark here, you can't even see them.
Doesn't like the boat.
Oh, it's a red. Nice redfish. There you go. That's a fatty too. Good 23-inch fish.
Saw the boat and said no.
Looks like a trout. A little small trout. Don't see too many trout in Yankeetown. Go, be free.
And he's been there for a little bit. That was the third time I've seen him come up.
Yeah.
He's not moving, he's eating. Cool.
Tail and drum. We're gonna get one. We just gotta get a shrimp in front of one of them. Moving. It's under. Oh, there we go. Monster. Who wants it? Chaos. Both hooked monster drum. Haha, double hook up. You want triple? No, I'm just kidding.
I don't know, I was wrapped up with hers. I was just wrapped up with hers.
Alright, she's got a big one. I'm gonna go to the other side of her and cast back out there.
I'm just letting him wear out a second.
Got big tail and drum. Get a monster. There we go. That didn't take long. That is a big fish right there. He had his own fish. He just fell off.
Well, my shrimp was unmolested. I think.
Coming over to you.
The fish is well over 30 inches.
Coming over to you. Oh, sorry.
That's a 35-inch fish. Is this more fun than the last trip, Tony? I love it.
Me catch it?
Holy crap. That is not a small fish. Oh, buddy. He's not a monster. Wherever you want.
He's doing it. He don't like the boat.
That's a big fish.
You gotta wear him out.
Alright, when you do start bring them in fast and heavy right to the net. Because drum are hard to change direction, so once you get him going in one direction, put as much pressure as you can to keep him going in that direction.
Okay.
And then he should go straight into my net if he comes in fast.
You wanna get on my left? Because then he'll come up the boat.
Once his head hits that surface, keep him on the surface.
I'll get him
Go around. There you go. That's it. That's a good picture size.
There we go again.
Try to avoid changing direction. When he's going one way, bring him one way. Tell him where to go.
Okay.
Alright, keep him coming that same direction, all the way in. Get in there, stupid!
He's in.
Holy crap! Well, that's what you wanted to catch was a drum, right?
Yes. Yes.
A little remora. His little sidekick.
You caught one, man?
It's been a while since I've caught a drum. Yeah. I haven't been drum fishing in about 3 years since I started building that house for my parents. 4 years.
Drum are fun to catch.
That's why I was like...
That's a solid 35-incher. You want to put that blue thing on the deck and I'll measure them? Or we should measure them down here on the floor. I bet he's 36 inches. 35 and a
35.
half. I want a,
For you, for you.
I want a picture of you. Hold him up. 35 and a half. 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 35 and Right there. That's another big one.
You wanna reel it in?
No, you got it.
Alright.
It looked like a small redfish. Oh, it's a giant sail cat. That's the eating size ones. Those things are huge. That's a big fish. Is that a redfish?
I hope so.
Yeah, you got a big red.
I don't think so. Just when it rains.
Nothing better than big backwater redfish.
I'm gonna hand you that.
Finally got him on a redfish. Top slot, hopefully. Looks like a big red. Oh, beautiful red. There you go. When it's peaceful, calm back here, they're even cooler looking, aren't they?
Yeah.
There you go. With a Yankeetown backwater red. Gotta weed through a few catfish when it's hot, but as it cools down, there won't be any. That's a fat redfish.
That is.
This one's got a...
Oh, yep, you got a big one. You want me to hook it, or you got it?
Go ahead and hook it. Is he on it?
It's swimming at us. It doesn't feel big.
Okay, good enough.
Feels like a little cat,
Catfish.
though. Yeah.
Yeah, he's been hitting it. He would be
It
nice.
has to be a red. He's up in the grass. No way a catfish went that far. If that's a catfish, that's amazing.
Bite pretty good.
Where'd the net go? Is it a cat?
No, red.
Oh, small red. He was all the way up in there. Wow, he was way up in the grass.
It's too small.
Yeah, he's little.
That's a good sized fish when you're freshwater fishing.
Dude, I'm trying to help you. Can you stop? Alright, there's our big red. That's what we're here for. That's what I was waiting for on that point. Just make sure you're reeling as fast as he's swimming. I think you got a big red. That's a redfish. Is it a big catfish?
Oh my gosh.
You gotta be kidding me. Now that's the eating size one right there. He's feeding.
Yep.
Let's get that big drum. He's just sitting in there.
There he is.
There's like right off that point.
Yep, he is. You gonna change that out? There he is, look at him.
Oh God, he's huge.
Yeah.
Oh, he's getting bites.
Yep. Thank you.
This drum, they want it sitting still on the bottom like some dead little shrimp that it is. It is strange that they're tailing and not eating on these big dead shrimp. Ooh, he's literally right there. I literally saw him, he's right in front of the boat. He's sitting like halfway, like right there, where I saw him. Yeah, there's surface right there. Should we squirt the shrimp with some juice? Make them smell more?
Oversized oyster.
It is a rock, right?
No, it's fish.
Oh, it is a fish?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought you really had a rock.
No, I don't.
If you are, I'll get out of here.
Looks like a drum. Yep, it's another big drum. You got one too?
Yeah, I got
Oh shoot, you both got a big one. Oh, that's the drum that was tailing the whole time. What, you got another one? That's hilarious.
One's light.
So you got his little brother and he's got his big brother. Yep, he's about to go. That's a big one. Look at these.
I got freezers up.
There's-
Oh, that's what we do.
Holy, she's got another big.
I got this one. We gotta go look for
Yeah, we need to find them stinking redfish. It's all drum and catfish. I should get a video on my phone of you guys fighting both of them. It's funny. Get in there. Go down. He's out of my reach. Oh, there he goes. Jeez, he wouldn't fall down.
back this way.
Good God, he's heavy. That's actually a lot smaller than the first one. That's where all the water came from, was bringing the drum in the boat.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I saw you. Sorry.
All right.
Should have had a better hold of it.
There's one 30-pounder. There's another 30-pounder.
Alright. I'm gonna bring him this way. Here he comes.
Drop the rod. Get the rod closer to the water. There you go.
Alright. You got him.
You gotta give me his head, not his tail.
I know.
Bring his head this way.
Okay, here he comes. You got him.
He dove nose first into the net.
Yes, he did.
All right, open the bell. I can't pick him up.
Sorry. Ah, come on, get your fingers going.
There you go.
Sit in the rod hold.
That's a good picture, you guys up front. Oh, hers is bigger. Holy crap.
She's always one upping me.
That's a good picture. Big old fish.